Hello and welcome back to Coin Matters channel. The revelation of Samsung's latest scheme to reduce U and the SHIBA to a $3 coin has arrived today. Your most common cryptocurrency has been sending you for the previous week. According to a recent survey conducted by an internet chain analytics firm, baby boomers have little interest in banking. But when dealing with cash becomes an online game, things become interesting. Most people would assume Bitcoin is the most common starting point for those who are new to cryptocurrency over the past week, but that does not appear to be the case. Neither is Ethereum, the second largest cryptocurrency in terms of market capitalization among peer-to-peer networks. In this video, we'll go over Samsung's latest innovation for monetizing the inner SHIBA in all of us for $3. If you want to keep up with the newest price predictions and expert analysis for SHIBA INU, then please give us a thumbs up, share the video, and subscribe to the channel. Let's get right to the video, shall we? Manson discovered some statistics on-chain indicating that, among newly funded crypto wallets, SHIBA INU were the most favored non-stable coin digital asset. During that time, Manson distributed SHIB tokens worth over $56 million over 12,000 new wallets. The only stable coins, according to Manson. The ERTH20 token was the most common cryptocurrency to appear in these low prices, and you saw a minor decline in price along with the rest of the market. Stock prices, which had risen in January, had begun a downward trend when the retreat began. As analysts and commentators have noted, the root-wrapped Ether on Uniswap and Shiba Swap is the most dominant trading pair partner for share by volume, but Binance holds the most SHIBA INU and SHIB balances. There have been rumors that finance has forgotten about U and SHIBA. On the other hand, the centralized cryptocurrency exchange merely blocked particular SHIB trading strategies. The recently released Barium has piqued the interest of SHIB lovers. Sure, you can ship Barium as a native token within the Ethereum ecosystem to deploy decentralized applications. The SHIBA INU holdings of the world's largest Ethereum whales have risen by hundreds of millions of dollars in little than a week, according to data compiled by whale servicing site WhaleStats. The top 1,000 whales have spent $422 million on the meme asset since January 17th. The same whales were rumored to have owned a SHIB worth around $168 million previously. That's 151 more of the Dogecoin alternative that whales purchased in just 4 days, if the data are to be believed. Since its inception, has been the digital asset that the top 1,000 whales have been buying up the most. In addition to their SHIB holdings, the ultra-wealthy now have 584 million additional digital assets. Among the market makers are the $65 million Oracle supplier chain Link, the $58 million decentralized exchange Uniswap Uni, and the $55 million suitable blockchain Quad Shot. The price of a Beam token, which started at 1,045 cents on January 17th and peaked at 1,210 cents, may have been affected by the whale activity surrounding U and SHIBA. Since then, the value of a chip has increased to $1.22. The beta release of Barium, a proposed second layer for the Doge competition, has the whales purchasing up ships as the ecosystem prepares for the launch. Layer 2 network based on Polygon-matic arbitrage and hope, much like Ethereum. The recent surge in cryptocurrency prices has been quite beneficial to SHIBA's new coin. Especially in the past week, the price has risen dramatically, increasing its value by almost 20%. Many potential purchasers anticipate significant price increases over the coming months and years. John Richmond is a well-respected English-Italian fashion designer who has collaborated with such stars as Madonna, the Rolling Stones, and Gwen Stefani. The designer is focusing more of his time and energy on the third web. Autonomy's upsides inspire the novel approach. Richmond's tweet suggests there are many parallels between the revolutionary punk rock movement and the development of Web 3. The famous artist claims that it demonstrates vitality and a need for transformation, similar to the 1980s British punk rock scene. The goal of rock and roll has always been to give those who are marginalized a platform to express themselves, questioning the existing quo and breaching the rules. This spirit is what keeps artists and members of the free community online going strong. Richmond John. John Richmond has shared the stage with several notable figures, and his most recent endeavor is a cover for Vogue with Snoop Dogg. West Coast Cool was injected into the fashion industry by notable hip-hop artists. The SHIB Army was overjoyed to see Snoop Dogg's involvement with John Richmond's plan to experiment with diverse fashions, especially the rebellious street style with a little of classic. So, the SHIB Army took to Twitter to ask lead developer Satoshi Kazama if Snoop Dogg might give a concert at Rio Shoe Plaza or Bark Park and ship the metaverse. The metaverse, an open-source web application developed by the SHIBA and US software team, is nearing completion. However, the metaverse must be tested before becoming live. Barium is an obvious first step in the Layer 2 scaling approach. Wow, that's incredible! Look! Snoop Dogg hosted a radio show. She sailed the WhatsApp Plaza. You are not invited to the metaverse. What do you think? Swear to God, that's an army ship. Ship's emblem. Jealousy of Tasha Kazu and the AMA could wait. Actually, nobody has mentioned anything. Your local Shivas can't wait for you to unveil your barium hideout on the blockchain. Official Shiva in the new ecosystem accounts, including those of core developer Satoshi Kusama, have begun dropping hints regarding a possible timing. Determine what's going on by monitoring Satoshi Kazam's Twitter feed. As far as she's concerned, Valentine's Day, February 14th, is the release date for the beta version of SHIB Barium. The creator of Shiva, Satoshi Kusama, updated his Twitter profile to include clues on the release date of the atomic layer for blockchain technology. The updated bio recommends tending to your personal pine tree of life and picking up the flute as soon as possible before storing your barium in a heart-shaped box with a bow. In a tweet dated January 20th, she basically created you. Your barium, per SHIB Helder, is due on Valentine's Day, February 14th. The SHIBA Inu camp of believers thinks that the new bio heralds the imminent launch of the SHIB Barium beta on Valentine's Day. You bury him, so official Twitter account posted papers on basic principles and the bone gas token, indicating that the launch is imminent even though not everything is ready for it. Sure, the demand for barium research has also increased. However, information from GitHub suggests that launch may be delayed owing to unanticipated factors. We've seen this movie before. If you have any bone symbols or any Shiva in you, you'll attract whales. Public opinion has reached an all-time high as the number of ships being destroyed by fire increases. According to blockchain security pioneer Cervic, the New York City-based Shiva cryptocurrency project ranks second in terms of overall security. The price of a bone Shiva swap has risen by over 8 in the past day, to $1.43. The people of Wales and financial backers are eyeing this money. The Samsung Wallet mobile wallet app, developed by Samsung Electronics, will now be available in 8 additional countries. This currency app may soon be available in Singapore, Australia, Brazil, Hong Kong, Canada, India, Malaysia, and Taiwan, according to a South Korean software giant. The Samsung Wallet will be available by the end of the month of January. It's all over today. Please like and subscribe my channel. See you later. Bye.